Alright, I will show you how to make kohlrabi. This has been a topic several times on the Facebook page of My German Recipes. I just went to the store and got 3 kohlrabi, and I got the purple ones. Usually I buy the green ones. I never had the purple ones. I'm curious how they taste. I will find out soon. I'm still a little bit in shock because when I went to the checkout and I saw what these cute tiny little 3 kohlrabi cost me, I was like, seriously, are you sure you didn't make a mistake? Because they cost me almost $9, and that's insane. Usually in Germany you just pay a couple of cents for them. I don't know why it's so expensive, if they have to be imported. I don't think so, because I had some kohlrabi in my garden already before here in Texas. No idea, but I'm kind of, how can I say it, I'm kind of decided that I want to write to the shop owner and ask why they are so expensive, because it's such a healthy, good vegetable, and I'm pretty sure people won't buy it if they are so expensive. Alright, so let me show you how to prepare them. So I usually first cut away, oops, this is hard, cut away the end parts. They don't taste very well. And then I just take a regular potato peeler and peel around them so that the, in this case, purple stuff gets off. As I said, I usually have the green ones. I will taste how they taste. And purple, I think I read someone writing that they are a little less sharp, spicy. I think spicy is the correct word here. Okay. So, and when our kids in Germany are little, we often give them raw vegetables and raw fruits like apples. And my kids, they always got some of the kohlrabi, and they really liked it very much. And you can have them with a dip or something and eat them just like that. This tastes very well, very good. It's less spicy than the green version that I know, but it still has the same kohlrabi taste. Very nice. Okay, now you can make cubes or like this shape. I think I'm going for cubes today, just decided that. So now I will put the kohlrabi in some water and boil it just like I boil potatoes. I'll add a tiny little bit of salt and just let it boil here while I make my frikadelle. Now for the white sauce, I melt about 2 tablespoons or maybe 3 of butter. So now I will take some flour and sprinkle it on top of the butter. And I stir it. use some more of the flour. And maybe a little bit more. So and next I will slowly add a little bit of milk, constantly stirring. Okay, and my kohlrabi has cooked long enough, and I will now add the fluid from the kohlrabi to my sauce. And I add some nutmeg. Let me taste. It needs some salt. Oops. And it needs a little more of this nutmeg. I will also add a little bit of fresh ground pepper, just a tiny bit. And some more fluid. Let's see. Perfect. So now I will add the remaining kohlrabi. There's not much fluid there, so I will put it all in there. I will turn off the heat. Stir it a little bit, and you can put a little bit of parsley in there to add some more taste. And now it is ready to be served.